Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey, today this is a video for a special purpose. You know, it's been quite a while ago I did a video on how to put decals on your pen using the water slide decals. And I've done a bunch of pens that way and not had any problems, but I'm doing another batch of pens for the Battleship Foundation of Texas. And I ran into a problem this time. And maybe you guys, anybody that's done that particular technique, that's used water slide decals to put a logo or a name or a picture or whatever on a pen, if you've had this problem, leave me a note, leave me a comment, send me an email at ll_woodworks@yahoo.com and tell me if you've found what caused this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see how that decal frosted up after I put CA on it. It didn't remain clear. It's the only thing that I did different, I will tell you this, and it may be the culprit. I'm going to try doing it the other way, is that, you know, Testors sells the water slide paper, and they also sell a bonder, and I've used that a lot. And I've also used Rust-Oleum clear satin acrylic. Well, that's what I used on these pens, and I'm just wondering if I had a bad interaction between that acrylic and the CA or what. But if any of you have had this issue where your water slide decal frosted up, get in touch with me. Tell me what you think may have caused it. How did you resolve it? It's kind of frustrating to build 10, 12, 15 pens and then run into this. So appreciate your help. Look forward to everybody's comments. Stay tuned here next week. I'm going to be out of town this weekend, but next week we'll do the pen with a pen blank that we designed a couple of weeks ago and put it on the Oxford. My Oxford kits are supposed to be here today or Saturday, one or the other. This is Friday the 22nd. So thanks again. Look forward to your comments, and everybody be safe. Have a good weekend.